Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, I won't be able to update any altcoin charts until tomorrow, but obviously we had quite crazy developments in the sector. So I thought I'll provide another quick update about Bitcoin, because while Bitcoin is still holding our daily chart support, the immediate 1-2 setup got invalidated, as you all know. A lot of altcoins suffering, but it's best to wait until the situation has stabilized. Okay, it's best to wait until the situation has stabilized before we draw conclusions, because it's very dynamic, the situation. Now, the Bitcoin chart is still somewhat stable. It has moved down significantly, but invalidated the immediate 1-2 setup, but it is still possible that we're in a wave 4. I talked about that as an alternative already in the last few videos. So idea was, if we break below that 1-2 setup support, I think it was like 56,800, then 50,670 is going to be next support. We also talked about this a trend channel on the daily, but that's not so important. But yeah, we are still holding above 50,600. So below that level, however, yeah, a larger revision of the chart is required. For ETH, I already showed you in the video. Bitcoin, well, what would that mean for Bitcoin? So first of all, I'm not going to show you any kind of micro count, crazy micro count on the 30-minute chart. Doesn't make sense when we have volatility like that. It's going to be invalidated at an instant just due to normal intraday volatility. So the intraday volatility is very high at the moment. So key support is 50,670. I did post it already on Discord earlier today that it now takes a break above 59K pretty much in an impulse or in 5 waves to indicate that we are starting the journey in wave 5 to the upside to 90K plus. But yeah, this seems far away at the moment. So it needs another setup, another 1-2 setup, even if it's just on a smaller time frame. Maybe tomorrow we're going to see that. Key is, I wanted to share with you few things. Trend is still down, short-term trend. Throughout today, I provided resistances that we wanted to see broken for an indication the next move up has started. Hasn't happened, so the trend is down still in the short term. I just told you 59K first key level to watch. But what really matters is the short-term trend is still down. Next support is 50,600. Below that level, the idea of a wave 4 of this wave degree, yeah, has to be, well, thrown out of the window. It's not going to be that wave 4 then. It could be a larger wave 4. This is a thesis I have for the Ethereum chart as well, that we say, okay, maybe this was not a 1-2 setup down here. Instead, we're dealing with a large 1-2. Then this is a large 3. This is a large 4, and we just get one more high in the bull market. That could be it. That could be the bull market top. In the best case, so it is a support area to watch. I will refine that tomorrow. It might still change. Things are very fluid at the moment, so things might still change, as I said. But yeah, in this case, like the area around 43 to 37.8K could be support. But I did post it on Discord already that I'm going to assume we are heading back to 30K if we break below 50.6K on a sustained basis. So if we go down to 50.5K, it's not going to do much, but 50.6K and a sustained break below it, staying below it, a sustained break, like consolidating below it, will mean that I will prepare. We could go to around about 30K. Doesn't mean we have to get there, but it is what I would then watch for. For now, then, in the next best alternative, we could see this as a larger wave 4 correction, or, and that's the next best situation, then we are dealing with a triangle pattern, which would be a large A wave, a large B wave, C, D, E. I'll highlight that also in purple here so that we have the relevant scenarios on the chart. Do I like this scenario? Not really, but it would mean we're not going to go to new bear market lows. It could mean that we are still in the bear market because this wave 4 never finished, but it's just a massive triangle. So, I mean, there are different options. The problem is if a coin or any chart tops in 3 waves and breaks below initial support, it's a sign of weakness. Yes, we could then still move higher as long as we're holding the next best support, But obviously, as long as the trend is down and we don't see any impulses to the upside, we would have to assume once the first support level breaks, we're heading down lower. Tomorrow, I will probably be able to be a bit more specific and also give you some micro counts, but I wanted to keep you informed. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.